Beautiful people. This is your girl AJ Lideberry. So, love the say is a beautiful thing, and that is why, Ife òun làkọjá òfin, and love is powerful. Love is powerful, and some of us we find love in places where you know it's a shocker. We find love in places where it's unbelievable that we could find love, and that is why Movie Go TV is now showing Okan Fewa. Okan Fewa, it's a movie you are going to love. It's a movie where you watch from the beginning to the end. I am certifying it for you all to watch Okonifewa today on Movie Go TV. Yes, Movie Go TV, the same channel that is showing a Shukonle. Yes, all you have to do is go on your YouTube search, impute Movie Go TV, and voila, Okonifewa is the first movie you are going to see on that channel. Okay.